Did you know there's an ant that can survive boiling water? Meet the fire ant, a tiny creature with extraordinary resilience. When immersed in boiling water, most insects perish instantly, but fire ants can withstand extreme heat for a short time. They use teamwork to survive, creating living rafts to float. This remarkable behavior helps them endure harsh conditions. Their survival skills are vital in their natural habitat. With powerful mandibles, they can grasp and lift heavy objects. Fire ants are industrious, constantly working to expand their colonies. Their colonies can number in the thousands, showcasing their social structure. Their compound eyes allow them to navigate and communicate effectively. Nature's wonders, like fire ants, remind us of resilience and teamwork.